How do you increase the text size in the iPad notes? Let's talk about it. So if you are new on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Okay, so there are some settings. It doesn't allow us to directly change it within the notes, but only some workarounds, right? So part of the main settings app, we have the display and brightness section where you can find the text size, right? So you can bump it up right here, and it will bump it up inside of the Notes app as well, but not only there, but across the whole iPad, right? So this kind of depends if you want to change it up everywhere, because this is how it works. We also have some other things in here which you can bump up, but inside of your actual Notes app, if you want to change the size of the text, you can select it like this, tap on the AA button for the formatting, and you have the ability to change it from the body text to the subheading, heading, or even a title, which you can see have different sizes. But that's as far as we can get. There isn't really much else that we have the ability to do. So if you need more features, I recommend people to switching to something like the Notion, which I use every single day. I mean, I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but I like that app much more because there I can change the size, right? So that would be much more useful. Or even, GoodNotes or plenty of note-taking apps which are available, which allow you to actually change and increase the text size. So I've shown you everything that you can do. Let me know in the comments below if you like this type of video. Stay tuned by subscribing so you never miss the next videos coming up, and I'll see you later.